मीडिया ब्रिज यानी एमबी की इस खास प्रस्तुति में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे
The first agreement to be signed this morning is the agreement between Sri Lanka and India on the exemption from visa requirement for holders of diplomatic and official passports. Honorable Mangala Samaravira, Minister of Foreign Affairs of Sri Lanka, and Dr. S. Jaishankar, Foreign Secretary of India, will sign the agreement on behalf of the respective governments. And next, the agreement between the Government of the Republic of India and the Government of the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka on cooperation and mutual assistance in customs matters. Dr. R.H.S. Samaratunga, the Secretary of the Ministry of Finance, and His Excellency Y.K. Sinha, High Commissioner of India to Sri Lanka, will sign the agreement on behalf of the respective governments. Thank you. Third, a memorandum of understanding on cooperation in the field of youth development between the Ministry of Youth Affairs of Sri Lanka and the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports of India. Honorable Niroshan Pereira, State Minister of Youth Affairs of Sri Lanka, and His Excellency Y.K. Sinha, High Commissioner of India to Sri Lanka, will sign the agreement on behalf of the respective governments. Thank you, sirs. The final instrument to be signed this morning is a memorandum of understanding between Sri Lanka and India for the establishment of the Rabindranath Tagore Memorial Auditorium at the University of Ruhuna in Mathura, Sri Lanka. Mr. P. Ranepura, Secretary of the State Ministry of Higher Education, and His Excellency Y.K. Sinha, the High Commissioner of India, will sign the agreement on behalf of the respective governments.
සුබෝදෑසනක් ඔබ සියලු දෙනාටම ඉන්දියා අග්‍රාමාත්‍යකරු නරේන්ද්‍ර මෝඩි මැතිතුමනි ඒ වගේම ශ්‍රී ලංකා අග්‍රාමාත්‍යකරු රනිල් වික්‍රමසිංහ මැතිතුමනි ඉන්දියා ශ්‍රී ලංකා දෙරටේ සියලුම අමාත්‍යවරුන් අමාත්‍යාංශ ලේකම්වරුන් ඇතුළු සහභාගී වන ද්විපාර්ශ්වික සියලුම නියමිත මහත්වරුන් මහත්මීනි හිතවත් මාධ්‍යවේදීනි මම ඉතාමත් සතුටු වෙනවාද අපි ශ්‍රී ලංකාව සහ ඉන්දියාව අතරේ ද්විපාර්ශ්වික සම්බන්ධතා ශක්තිමත් කරමින් නව ඉදිරි පියවරක් තබන මේ අවස්ථාව ඉතාමත් වැදගත් ඓතිහාසික අවස්ථාවක් විදිහටයි මම සලකන්නේ.
I am glad to be here so soon. This is how it should be between neighbors. We should meet regularly. It helps us understand each other better, find solutions to mutual concerns, and move our relationship forward. That is what we achieved in my meetings with President Sirisena today. Economic ties are a key pillar of our relationship. The progress we have made reflects our shared commitment to stronger economic cooperation. Our trade has seen impressive growth over the past decade. I am aware of your concerns about trade with India. As I said in Delhi, we will try and address them. The agreement today on cooperation between our customs authorities is a step in that direction. It will simplify trade and reduce non-tariff barriers on both sides. We are not just looking at addressing problems. We are also focusing on new opportunities. Today, Lanka, IOC, and Ceylon Petroleum Corporation have agreed to joint development the upper tank farm of the China Bay installation Indra Trincomalee on mutually agreed terms. A joint task force will be constituted soon to work out the modalities. India stands ready to help Trincomalee become a regional petroleum hub. I also look forward to early commencement of work on the ground in the Sampur coal power project. This landmark project would meet Sri Lanka's energy needs. The ocean economy is a new frontier that holds enormous promise for both of us. It is a priority for our two countries. Our decision to set up a joint task force on ocean economy is a significant step, especially because of our proximity. People are at the heart of our relations. We have taken a number of decisions to encourage people-to-people contacts, improve connectivity, and increase tourism. The meeting today has been a very productive. It gives me a great confidence and optimism about the future of our relations. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
दर्शकों, मीडिया ब्रिज यानी एमबी के कार्यक्रम आपको कैसे लगते हैं, हमें ज़रूर बताएं। यदि आप अपनी या अपने संस्थान की किसी गतिविधि का प्रचार प्रसार मीडिया ब्रिज के जरिए करना चाहते हैं तो हमसे संपर्क करें।